Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make goat milk and turmeric soap for a clear skin. Like you want to have a glowing skin, that you have acne, blemishes, and you have dark um circles in your eyes, or to improve your skin overnight. So I am going to show you how to make this. In this video I will be making it with melt and pour soap. It's already chopped. Then I will be using um goat milk, and I'll be using turmeric. Here I have orange essential oil, and I'll be using lavender, and I'll be using um bergamot oil. And this is my mold that I'll be using for this recipe. So I am going to put on my hand gloves and go to the microwave and melt it down, and I'll come back to add the necessary ingredients. Hello guys, so this has been melted. It's organic goat milk powder, and add also the turmeric, all organic, and I will be adding a few drops of the essential oil into this, and I'm going to turn everything together, then add it into the mold. So I need to cover all of my essential oils, then and next I'm going to turn everything together. You can use your spoon, your spatula, or anything that you can use in breaking up all the lumps from the soap. Make sure you break everything before adding into your mold. So you have to just break it up. But I don't have the time to break them up. I have to put them that way. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to allow it to sit for some hours to allow it to get hardened. Then we'll come back and tell you what to do about it. It's just you can start using it immediately, or just allow it to stay like few days before you start using it. If you have acne, like you have your dull skin, like your skin is getting a little bit darker, the shade of your skin is not good, this soap will work wonders for you. If you don't know where to get your soap from, I will drop a link below where you can buy soap base, because some people usually ask me, where do I get my soap base? So I'll put the link below where you can buy your soap base, where you can buy your goat milk powder, essential oil, and other things. So thank you for watching my video. We will come back to see how the soaps looks like. This is how the soap looks like. You can start using it immediately. You can see here still having white flakes here, but it doesn't matter. It's already pre-made soap, melt and pour. Be sure to check out that of my videos. Please, if you are new to my channel, can you please subscribe to my channel? Please, can you give me thumbs up and give me a thumbs up, and you're free to share my video. until I come your way next time. Bye bye.